how you can delete your Facebook account or Meta account. Now this is really simple, guys. So before I teach you guys how to do that, if you are new to our channel, just go down below, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us jump right into it. First, open up your Facebook. Now after you open your Facebook, there should be your initial page right here. Go to menu settings on the bottom right, and after that, if you scroll down a bit, you will see settings and privacy. Tap on that and just go to the settings. Now after you do so, just go to the account center. You can see the Meta account center right there. Tap on it, and after you do that, just scroll down till you find the account settings section, and right there you need to go to personal details. Now after you do that, just go to account ownership and control, and after that go to deactivation or deletion. Now here you can choose the account you want to delete or deactivate, and after you choose that, just tap on delete account and press on continue. Then you'll have to type in your Facebook's password and your account will get deleted. It's that simple, guys. That is how you delete your Facebook account. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and bye bye, take care.